I just can't do this without hurting someone. Except myself. What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and today we're gonna unwrap this holiday with DIY gift wrapping hacks. And no, using the empty roll of gift wrap as a lightsaber is not one of my DIYs. But it really should be, because I literally always do that and just attack everyone. Here! Oh. Uni, I'm so sorry. Oh, she's chilling. She's fine. It's time to hack your world. Oh, that was... I need help, like seriously. For our first DIY, we have Emoji gift wrap. When people say I have no friends. What is this? So this DIY is super simple. It's just like yellow wrapping paper that's super boring, and then you just like spice it up with a face. So yeah, this is perfect. And then we have like the super uncomfortable face, which is my schmood all the time. That moment when you realize that your friend gave the same gift to everybody else. Like, schmood, you know what I mean? If they give me like the same shirt, I'm real salty. Like salt. Like, I don't know how to make my eyes hearts. That's just not humanly possible. Wait. Let's wrap it. For this DIY, you'll need yellow wrapping paper, cardstock, glue. First, print and cut out large emoji faces. Trace the pieces of the faces and cut out on cardstock. Wrap your present in yellow wrapping paper and then glue the face shapes on top. Smiley faces. Uncomfortable faces. Again.
Smooth.
Moving on. For our second hack, we have lint roller wrap. So this one actually turned out super good. She looks actually pretty professional. I'm kind of giving myself like a pat on the back, but I thought it was gonna be like a potato stamp. Have you ever used one of those? Not good. But it's so much easier because you just, okay. I didn't think about this. You just like roll it on. And then you just roll it on. And you can like marble it, you know, do some different colors. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Or you can just like stick to one color, you know. If you have like a theme under your tree, like I know I always have a theme every year of my tree, you can do the colors of that. Yeah, you can change up any shape, whatever you want, any color. It's really up to you. Sky's the limit. I'm just giving you the simple tools. This. And you can find this anywhere. It doesn't have to be a clean one either because they're just gonna dunk it in paint. So for this DIY, you'll need a lint roller, white wrapping paper, craft foam, paint, and ribbon. First, cut out your shapes from the foam and glue around the roller. Now roll it through the paint and onto your paper. Pretty presents for everyone. Or at least people that deserve it. LOL. So you guys already know, paper is made out of trees, right? Not gonna lie to you, when I was little, I thought that wood was cut really thin and they just used that. So then I like actually searched it up because I was like curious. Basically, it gets stripped down to cellulose and then pressed into paper. The fibers from the wood and the cellulose gets pressed together and makes paper. Wow, okay. And for our third hack, last but not least, we have Fixit Wrap. Fixit Wrap is great because it makes you look like you actually are good. But really, you just used a ruler. It's the soft one, not the hard one that you like pull out of the measuring tape because that would just be like weird. It's like the one you put on your body, basically. And then you cut it up because like actually wrapping it around is like so much work. And we use some washers and a single screw. So yeah. And it looks super like me. You know what I mean? I feel like this is super like Goldie embodiment. Seriously. Oh shoot, there's hair attached to it. That's not cute. Okay. For the measuring tape, I used like a soft measuring tape, not like a hard measuring tape because that just wouldn't look right. But speaking of hard measuring tapes, if you guys know what one of these are, thank you. Because these are my childhood. They're everything. Okay, ready? Okay, that was not as epic as I thought it would be. Wait, let's just like, oh my God, so 90s. I'm about to blow your mind. Do you guys know what's in a slap bracelet? The other day I got really curious because I ordered a lot of them on Amazon because like, I was just like, I love slap bracelets and I was like, oh my God, yay, 99 cents, wow. And then I got them and I was like, I've always wanted to know what's like inside of it, right? So I cut it open. One of those things like you've always wanted to know what's inside of it, but you've never had the guts to cut it open. That's why I'm here. Okay, cutting. And this is what I find. A measuring tape. Did you guys know that? Because I sure didn't until I literally opened it. Thank goodness for being curious because then I wouldn't have known. Why did they put this on it? This is ugly. Yes, this is everything. For this DIY, you'll need measuring tape, cardstock, washers, and a screw. First, cut out the pieces for your bow. Then, make loops and hot glue in the center and add washers on top. Last, glue the beautiful bow on top of the present. Bon appetit! That's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like this video. If you like presents, yeah. And subscribe for more DIYs every Friday, and we're building robots on Saturday. Yes, comment down below what your guys' favorite was, and comment if you've ever gotten a really bad gift, and then comment what it was. And the weekly Goldie's Club shout out goes to Alyssa Carthage. Apparently I cured her sickness, and like, I won't take responsibility. Love making you not sick, girl. I probably, if you're actually sick and you're watching this, it's not a proven fact, it's just a hypothesis, okay? One person said yes. Anyway, but like, you guys are super sweet, like, wow. Wow, 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 wow. That is it. Subscribe, hit the bell. New videos every Friday and Saturday. If you guys wrap presents for Christmas or if you use any of my wrapping techniques, post it and then tag me on Instagram because I love to see your guys' work and you might get a repost on it. So a win-win. That's it. GoldieBlox signing off. Have a happy holidays, hackers. Happy holidays, hackers. Alliteration. Hey Goldie Squad, happy month of giveaways. Last week we sent a robotic unicorn galloping to a new home. What will we give away next? Watch tomorrow's bot battle to find out. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.